Is masturbation bad for you? I don't know, but it's not good for me. Ego more is self-policing. You are your first more. So if you decide that anything is bad for your more, you can't be eating poison because you're hungry. I think having sex in the dream can be an expression of communion. The more you see as yourself when you sleep is what I understand to be your chi. So your chi can meet another person's spirit as well, another person's chi as well, and bet something, maybe musical, right? Music. But where there is a problem is when you come in this plane. I take wet dreams to mean ocho, olo, a release of negative energies. It's a warning. We are coming for you. Do the needful. I have 3 examples. I've heard of Woki boys and the people around them suffering it every night. And the people around them having wet dreams as well suggests that those wet dreams can mean that your more is telling you to leave a location or to not go to a location at all. The second is if you receive something from Umadu or more, thank them, pay up. I gave you something valuable. Why do you want to finesse me? I received today's mails when I started working on it without acknowledging more the least acknowledgements. This was an more that said, hop on my lady's bike, I'm gonna drop you off at the market before continuing on my journey, which she has. So back then, she and her aura came for me. Obviously, this relationship has been rewarding, and I'm now the one telling her, don't leave me, right? Stay as a songwriting friend. I like songwriting spirits and human beings. If you're a female songwriter, let's interact and make songwriting babies for life. Or another example, you go to your Omunna Iba and for whatever reason, you serve blood to the more there when you are not the Akadiofo, the one chosen by the spirits. Obviously, the wet dreams that you get in this case is still a warning for you to run quick and go and make appeasement because your fuck up is greater than just coming in your shot. Lastly, some can be a warning of something that you've not even done, shit that will happen that day. And if you meditate and watch out, stay alert, stay alert, less noise, you see the direction it's pointing at and maybe avoid that impairment. Play Holy Ezumezu when you're driving to work and you have not done Igofo because it is Igofo, right? Use it in your meditation and use it, play it all night to remember your dreams.